Winning may depend on many reasons, but mass appeal is indispensable. JCBL has won many hearts by manufacturing customized mobility solutions, and this is where it truly excels. Over the decades, the company has acquired a reputation by fabricating, manufacturing, and delivering world-class ambulances, display vans, armored buses, ATM vans, outdoor broadcasting vans, motorhomes, refrigerated vans, mobile dealerships, right-turning vans, cargo containers, vanity vans, all form of special purpose vehicles. Election campaign vehicles, also called modern-day Raths, are the converted caravans equipped with all facilities. These vehicles help top politicians ride the campaign trails in grueling elections. JCBL became a favorite brand among political parties for providing coaches having classic, luxurious, plush and sturdy interiors. These special application vehicles boast of facilities like luxury beds, on-demand sofa-cum beds, ACs, heaters, mini kitchen, LCD screens, chemically treated toilets and wash basins with disposable systems, sunroofs, halogen lights, hydraulic lift system, and built-in loudspeakers for effective public addressal. The company is pioneer in designing and manufacturing automotive mobility vehicles with customization and suitability. The perfect blends of utility, luxury, and security. JCBL special purpose vehicles have world-class state-of-the-art features. Considering performance and safety, the company has put determined efforts to meet and exceed the requirement of customized products and applications, conforming to ISO 9001 and TS 16949 quality standards. Offering experience and engineering know-how to resolve challenging installations, JCBL provides augmented solutions which ensure smooth operating performance and durability. At JCBL, the approved Automobile Research Center by DSIR has helped in creating strong customer base of leading OEMs. When it comes to special application vehicles, JCBL is the only solution. Having a vision helps in making the right decision. JCBL special application vehicles are the winning solution.